What up, YouTube? Your boy Big C at you again. This is April the 3rd. Yeah, I want to say April the 3rd. Saturday, right before Resurrected Sunday or Easter for some. Making this video on the update, refurbishing my spray skid, but I want to come and just show you the front yard of my house. I did put some fertilizer down about a week ago, and I don't know if y'all can see it. It is out here actively raining in Chicago. But I put down some of that Russo, excuse the cars is going past, Russo 1803. And you'll see my grass is growing. I'm just waiting for some of these holes, bare spots to fill in. I did do the ultimate sin that my boy Jake, the lawn care kid and lawn care nut, says not to do. Put seed down in the spring, but these patches out here is irritating me. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, let you see the open patches, and then I'm gonna mosey my way to my garage so you can see the progress of my spray skid, which is over 50% done. And I'll inform you what steps I got to do now. But let me flip this camera real quick so you can see my grass. This is about like a 2 or 3 week update on my yard. If you looked at like 2 videos behind, you'll see where it was at. But yeah, it's been raining like crazy here in Chicago. So check this out. So see that bare spot right there. Grub worms tore me up. So I did overseed there. You can see how fluffy the grass is. I'll be cutting it in about a week or so. Bare spot there. It's greening up. A little bit of bare spots. And then we got a bare spot there. And where my neighbor's been running on my grass. But in little bare spots there. But you can see my daylilies is out blooming. And my grass is fluffy. A little bit of bare spots, but once I mow it and edge it up, it'll look much different. So, but yeah, the grass is waking up. So here go my backyard. See, it's green all the way down. I still got to spray in the flower beds to start killing those weeds. Put a little bit more mulch down. This area is going to be hard for me because it's a lot of rocks and dirt under there. I have to really dig down and put some more soil down and get it together. But once I start cutting this, it should be even and thicken up quick. And then my little bush back there, I got to trim it. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, I want to give y'all a little small recap of what's going on with my yard. I'm back in the garage. I'm about to show you some of the progress I made on my skid sprayer, which I say I'm like 65, probably 80% done. I just got to wire up the reel so it'll do the automatic reel where it reel up my hose. I got the suction hose completed, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to not tell you too much. I'm going to show you while I'm talking. But yeah, I was planning, normally I tell all my customers I'm going to start on their yard the first week in April, but it seemed like since April came in, Chicago has had an explosion of rain. And lawn care is not my primary job, it's like secondary a little bit. But the only yards I was able to get to so far is my parents and my yard. Like I told you all a couple of videos back, I'm not doing per diamine in my yard. I'm gonna do the trilicity so I can have my seeds germinate. If you look at Lawn Care Nut and Jake the Lawn Care, they do tell you, and other lawn care people, if you put down per diamine, your grass seed will not germinate. And I want my grass seeds to germinate, so I'm gonna use the trilicity so it'll germinate, but also kill weeds. Little DIY tech note to my DIY homeowners: if you don't want to buy the trilicity, the little small jar, I don't have it on me, the little small jar, liquid jar where you mix it with water and your different stuff and spray it down. The Scott's 4-in-1, I think it is. It's a starter fertilizer. Pay attention because they got two bags that look the same, but it's the starter fertilizer. It has the chemical that kills the weeds and not kill your grass and allow your seeds to germinate. So, like I said, I'm going to put below and I'm going to put in this video that the Scott's starter fertilizer that prevents the weeds from growing and helps your grass grow and your new seed to grow. I was going to use that, but I got so much trilicity weed killer, I'm going to just spray it on top with the starter fertilizer I have. Now, among clients and stuff, I am going to put per-diamine down on their yards. Honestly, their yards look better than mine this year. Their yards came out beautiful. I was lacking on mine, and then I found out, or not found out, but it's during my inspection, we have real bad grub problems in my area. And I didn't realize it because my yard got attacked. My next door neighbor yard got attacked, but my clients that's around the corner from me and down the street, their yards look beautiful. So I definitely have to pay a little bit more conscience to my yard. But like I said, this video is about the refurbishment or each step I'm doing with this skid sprayer. Like I said in my last video, I'm having fun doing this. Big shouts out to Spray Depot and Pest Solution. They have really helped me out a lot. And I'm doing this document or this video to help anybody else that want to do this in the future or have to repair their skid sprayer. So let me stop babbling and flip this camera so you can see progress. So before y'all see, the spray hose is on here. I'm gonna use this one this year. I probably will change over to the other spray gun. As you see, I got the suction hose on, and it doesn't go above the muffler, but it is right here at the head gasket or the head of the engine, and this area do get hot. What I'm gonna do is probably take a strap or something, put right here, so it'll hold the hose right here. And I might move this 90-degree angle to point down, so we got flow going this way. This is, I will put down in the description the adapter I got from Spray Depot for my to connect, this adapter, this hose bib. Then I got this hose that's coming from underneath the tank, the supply hose. It's on here. It's connected. I got a new new hose bib, 90-degree. This worked fine. This is the on and off, to shut the fluid off. I was not going to take the tank off, but I'm really thinking about taking the tank off, and I'm going to show you why. Over here, this is the agitation hose. is supposed to connect here for agitation. But I don't know the diameter of this hose, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to change this out with this type of hose, which is a 3/4 hose. And that means I have to take the tank off, lift it up, and connect it to the agitator that's underneath here, because my agitator is underneath. And I still have to, one more hose I got to hook up, which the connection I took off, it's on the regulator. It's right here, which is the bypass, if I'm not mistaken. The bypass is going to go from here, as I told y'all before, behind and connect to the cam lock. As you see, my pressure hose for my spray reel is finally in the way I wanted it. I got that brass fitting, took that PVC off. That's down nice and tight. I did grease it up. You can see some grease on there. But this cam lock, I ordered a cam lock. I ordered a 3/4 cam lock because I want to take this cam lock off. This is just a cap. But I want to put a cam lock adapter on here, the other side that clicks on here, that has a hose bib, but I need a 1/2 inch hose like this, 1/2 inch hose to go from here down and connect to the bypass line. But I'm having the toughest time finding the connection for here. So I'm gonna consult with Spray Depot to tell me how can I interchange this so this can be my bypass. Once I do this bypass and fix the agitation, I'm pretty much, all my hoses is connected. I'm good to go. Now, I don't have any gas or oil in the motor yet. I did pick up some 10W30 SAE. That what goes in this motor. But the feel, I gotta double check, but I really think you can feel it from either side. But the oil dipstick is on that side. To check the oil level is on the back side. But I'm gonna try to feel it on this side so I don't get oil everywhere. So once I put the oil in here, gas, then I'm ready to start it up. And I'm pretty much good to go. But yeah, I'll be pretty much good to go. I'll be so happy. I'm kind of dreading taking this tank off because we have some very long screws that I got to take the nut off. And so yeah, my GoPro went dead on me. I got to charge it up, but I ain't tripping on that. Thank God for cell phones. Finish up my video. So anyway, adding to my video about my spray skid. So my next thing is as you said, I hooked up all the hoses and everything like that. So today, since it's so rainy and it's still raining, I don't know if you can hear the rain hitting my garage. I'm out here because I have to start the wiring up of my my reel. So I got all the pieces. It's just I gotta set up the box that I'm gonna attach the button and everything to, and wire up all the components. Once I do that, then I'll be pretty much happy with everything. I still gotta contact Spray Depot to give me my the parts I need, the rest of the parts I need to finish up the spray skid. It's just connecting the hoses, that's it. And then I have to make sure that my agitation underneath, the agitation attachment underneath the tank, the hose that go, make sure the size of the hose that I get is correct for it to connect to. I'm still crossing my fingers that there's no leaks or anything on my tank. I never filled it up with water or nothing. I gotta clean it out because I don't want any of this debris to get in my pump. I do have a good filter on here, but as soon as I fire it up, you'll be right here on the video seeing it. But yes, this DIY of refurbishing this tank, hey, it's going best. And then y'all have to understand, this is pretty much changing an electric pump tank to a gas pump tank. So I'm gonna try to put some pictures of how the Lesco electric pump tank look versus what I've did, okay? All right, like and subscribe, Newsom Lawn Care. If you're in my local area, south suburbs of Chicago, hit me up, NewsomLawnCare.com. Big shout out to my boy, Jake, the lawn care kid, and my boy also down there in Florida, the lawn care nut. So, all right, I'll holler at y'all.
This is a demo track.